Ever wonder how Netflix knows exactly what movie you'll love next? Or how your phone understands your voice commands? Or even how those annoying spam emails mysteriously vanish from your inbox? It's not magic. It's artificial intelligence at work. But how does a machine actually learn to do all this? At its heart, when we talk about AI learning, we're almost always talking about machine learning. Forget explicit instructions for every single scenario. Instead, imagine showing a computer thousands of pictures of cakes and just saying, hey, find the patterns that make all of these cake. It builds its own understanding. First up, supervised learning. Think of it as the teacher. We give the AI a massive data set where all the answers are already correct, like showing a child thousands of pictures, and for each one, you say cat or dog. The AI makes a guess, sees if it was right, and adjusts itself to be more accurate next time, over and over again. Next, unsupervised learning. This is the detective. Here, there are no labels, no correct answers provided. We just give the AI a jumbled mess of data, like a huge pile of unmatched socks or just random shapes, and tell it to find its own patterns, its own hidden structures. It groups similar things together without ever being told what those things are. And finally, reinforcement learning is stupid. This is pure trial and error. Think of playing a video game for the first time. You press a button, you get a coin, reward. You touch a spiky enemy. You lose health, penalty. The AI learns the optimal strategy to maximize its score by trying countless actions and remembering what worked and what didn't. So, what's actually learning inside the machine? Most powerful AIs today are built on artificial neural networks, loosely inspired by our own brains. It's a system of interconnected neurons organized into layers, an input layer for data, hidden layers where the real thinking happens, and an output layer for the answer. The connections between these neurons have weights, numbers that dictate how strongly one neuron influences another. Learning is essentially finding the perfect set of these weights. Here's the core dance. First, a forward pass. We feed the network data, say a picture of cat. Data flows forward, and the network makes a guess like 60% dog. Next, we do a reality check. It compares its guess to the truth and calculates its error. Then comes the magic, backpropagation. The algorithm works backward, figuring out how much each connection contributed to that error, and then makes tiny nudges to all those connections, trying to reduce the error for next time. Repeat this billions of times. But none of this works without fuel, data. You need a lot of it, and it needs to be high quality. Garbage in, garbage out is a real thing. And crucially, we must watch out for bias. If our data is skewed, our AI will be too, perpetuating those biases in the real world. So, AI learning isn't conscious. It's not human thinking. It's a brilliantly powerful mathematical process of continuous optimization, finding patterns, and making countless tiny adjustments. It's a learning machine, transforming raw data into intelligent tools that can recognize, predict, and even create. And that, in a nutshell, is how AI actually learns. If you enjoyed this look inside the AI brain, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and ring that bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.